Hi, it's VS Tarot. Hello, Sagittarius placements. So, the person on your mind reading. Okay, so kuha tayo ng energy ng person mo. And yeah, tingnan natin kung ano bang meron. This is for the month of August. Okay, so let's see. Again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, kung meron pong tanong pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga items. Okay, so yes, we do have protection from evil eye. Meron tayong, ring. This is adjustable, yung ring natin. Meron din tayong, you can skip the video kung ayaw na makinig nito. Okay, you can skip the video sa reading. Okay. So, dalawang sample ng evil eye bracelet protection. Okay, isang adjustable and isang garterized. Yung adjustable po is available sa red strings. And yung ating napakasimple, na necklace. Evil eye protection necklace. Okay, so meron siyang blue stone doon sa kanyang center. Hindi lang mabigyang justice nitong camera. Napakaganda nito. Simple lang, pero yes, kabog. Anyway, so unisex po. No, unisex siya. And yung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet natin. No, so meron siyang citrine. So, yun po nag-a-act as the money magnet. Okay? Money magnet. So, ang dala ng ating citrine dito sa bracelet na to, no, para sa iyo is abundance, prosperity, wealth. Okay? Yun po ang dala ng citrine stone sa mga magmamay-ari sa kanila. Okay? So, yun po ha. And, syempre, hindi lang love nga. Hindi lang money, kundi love din. Kasi mas magiging maganda yung connection. Okay? Mga connection ninyo. Magpo-provide siya ng unity, ng magandang energy when it comes to money and love, no? And syempre, yung ating not cord cut. Yung ating grantor. So, si grantor, yung taga-grant po ng inyong mga minamanifest at mga ninanais sa buhay. Yes. And, nagpo-provide siya ng at least 2 surprises weekly aside po sa inyong mga minamanifest. Okay, samahan po ng evil eye protection po ha. Okay, so kung gagamit kayo nito and nung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet, no? And this is unisex po, by the way, and made to order si ating grantor necklace. Next, yung ating cord cutting. So, si cord cut, pasisimplehin natin yung salita. Okay. Yung kanyang gawa, pagtatanggal ng MALAS. Ng alat sa'yo, sa buhay mo, sa business mo, sa bahay. Yan po. No? Panglahatan na po ito, no? Yung ating cord cut. And yung ating cleansing kit, again, our cleansing kit is available. So, pero limited lang po, ha? Limited lang. Anyway, hindi ko alam kung mag-aano pa tayo. Pero, meron pa po, no? Na-check ko. So, anong tawag dito? Si cleansing kit, meron tayong nakalagay doon na white sage and selenite. Yung selenite po, yung tagapag-recharge, tagapag-alis ng negativities sa ating mga charms, lalo na kung nahawakan ng ibang tao. Okay, at kung feeling nyo nadidrain sila, opo, may ganun, no? So, pakaramdam nyo, ay, bakit ganito? Nag-iiba na yung energy niya, pakaramdam ko. So, yun na. Sign na yun para mag-cleanse kayo. Okay? So, let's start the reading, Sag. The person on your mind. Okay. Who is this? Who is this, Sag? Okay, who is this? The Empress. Mother of your child, father of your child. Some of them, pwedeng may anak. Okay? Somebody who possessed beauty. Okay? Beauty. And brain. Okay. This person is so, sabihin nating open. Okay? Iba sa inila buntes. Iba sa kanila buntes po, no? So, ano tong Empress? The Eight of Swords in reverse. Yeah. Napaka-open ng taong to. Some of you see this person as pwedeng makasama na forever. Mga ganun bagay. There's that big interest, no? Pagdating sa kanya, or could be vice versa, or flip yung energy. Anong situation nyo? Let's see. The Six of Swords. And the Three of Swords. Eight of Cups. The Queen of Swords. Situation. There could be distance. Okay? In general, distance. Could be physically, emotionally. Pwedeng talagang sa distansya, like, malayo sa isa't isa. Physically. No? Okay, anyway. So, some of you, may energy rito sa situation na parang gustong magkaroon ng pagkakaayos. Somebody wants to clear the air. And meron din ako nakakukuhang energy or naririnig na energy na tanggap kung anong meron dun sa tao. Tanggap ko. Kahit ano pang meron sa past mo. Parang ganyan. Anyway. What is their emotion for you, Sag? The Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Why? They're rejecting a connection with you. They're rejecting. Sa bagay, they're the Empress. Empress, Emperor. May hirap. I don't know. Some of you pwedeng wala pa kayong ganun na connection ng taong to, and pwedeng ina-avoid ko or nire-reject ka ng taong to na magkaroon kayo ng relationship, I guess, no? So, Queen of Pentacles in reverse and the Three of Cups, pwedeng magkaibigan lang kayo ngayon. Okay? Pwedeng na-friend zone ka ng taong to ngayon. Some of you, they could be a single mother, single father. Yeah. They're avoiding or rejecting a connection with you. Tanggap naman eh. Pero yeah, hindi ako ready, or yeah, hindi ko muna kailangan ng kakonect. I can feed myself. I can feed my kids. Parang ganon. I can provide for myself. Yeah. Anyway. So, yung naka-resonate na gusto makipag-ayos, they're rejecting na magkaroon ng pakikipag-ayos sa inyo. Pero, yeah, the line is open. Parang, yeah, the communication is open. Pero, ang nakuha ko sa kanila is, hindi ko kailangan na makipag-reconcile or makipagbalikan whatsoever. Okay, sige, we're clear, we're good, we're fine. Pero, that's it. Ganun nakukuha ko from them. Let's see what is their next action towards you. The Ace of Wands. The Four of Cups. Ooh. The Four of Wands. So, I think this person, sabihin natin, hindi ka naman ito totally closed off. Sabihin natin, parang lalayuan. Okay? Hindi ka naman totally lalayuan ng taong to. Bibigyan ka pa rin ng chance or whatsoever. Bibigyan ka pa rin ng open door of opportunity. Oo, parang ganyan. No? Lalo na kung may anak kayo. Iba sa inyo kung may anak kayo. Pwedeng nagkaanak lang. Hindi ko nakikita yung kasal dito. Pero meron ditong nabubuksan ng isip na gusto na magpakasal. May nabubuksan na ang isip, gusto na mag-settle down. Pero nandun yung sinasabi nga ng taong to na parang, hindi ko alam kung sino sa inyo ha. This could be cross-watchers read. No? Anyway, so i-fit nyo lang yung sarili nyo sa kung anong meron sa sitwasyon nyo. So, nakuha ko dito is pwedeng meron ng open for settling down or marriage or pakikipag-usap, lalo na nga kung nagkaroon ng anak, whatsoever. Outcome this August. Seven of Swords. What's with that? What's with that Seven of Swords? Judgment. Walking away from the cycles. Walking away. Avoid ninyo, if ever. Avoid ninyo na ibalik-balik yung mga issue. Okay, iiwasan na. Yeah, the Three of Pentacles, pagkakaroon na po ng pagkakaayos or pagkakaintindihan both sides ang nakuha ko. Okay? So, there. Some of you, kung ikaw itong parang na-friend zone nga, no? Tingin mo itong taong to, may anak, ganyan, hindi siya open for you, like sa relasyon, mga ganyan. Ang nakuha ko dito, magte-take risk, no? Itong taong to, maggagawa siya ng desisyon. Okay? Pero ayaw nito na makikita ulit yung mga nakita na niya before sa connection niya, na pinanggalingan niya. Bibigyan ka niya ng opportunity na makilala pa or magkaroon kayo ng mas malalim, no, na connection. Yeah. Anyway, so, that's good. That's nice. Sa bagay, they're the Empress. They don't need somebody. Kaya nila mabuhay, no? Nang walang tulong galing sa iba or partner. So, what else for Sag? So, who else? Okay, anong meron dito? The Seven of Wands. Did they block you? Or pwedeng ikaw nang block sa kanya. Anong meron dyan sa taong may nangyaring pagbablock? Three of Wands, they're waiting. And the situation is giving them burdens. So, parang, yeah, ang bigat-bigat ng sitwasyon ngayon, Sag. Okay. What is their emotion? Let's see, what is their emotion? Oh, the Ace of Cups Universe. Parang feeling nila may nasasayang or may nasayang siya dito. Mga ganyang bagay. Okay. So, what is their next action? Stepping up. King of Pentacles. This is stepping up. So, gagawa siya ng action. Kahit sabihin natin, yes, there's blockages. What's the outcome / advice? The Empress. Having healthy boundaries. Okay, just being the Empress. Being the Empress, the Emperor, mga ganyang bagay. So, letting them know na, yeah, I have my rules. Okay, I have rules. They're just the king. Mas mataas ka pa rin. Okay? So, kung hindi nila kaya mag-comply, sinasabi nga, mag-comply, then, pwede kang mag-no or pwede kang humindi sa kanya. Kahit ano pang gawin niya. Okay? Kung meron kang gustong mangyari, or sabihin natin, hindi niya masusunod or hindi niya ma-reach, no, yung ginugusto mo. Well, kasi may kailangan patunayan tong taong to sa'yo, di ba? May kailangan patunayan. I don't know kung binlock mo or siya ng block sa'yo. Pwedeng binlock mo. Ngayon, naghihintay siya. Pero hindi na niya kaya yung paghihintay. Gagawa na siya ng aksyon. So, hindi ko alam kung sapat ba sa'yo yung gagawin niyang mga aksyon. Sapat ba sa'yo? Makikita mo ba kung abot ba sila? Marireach ba nila yung mga rules na ginugusto mo? Yung mga rules na sinet mo? Okay, the Two of Wands. Giving them boundaries. Giving them healthy boundaries. Hindi palaging open. Hindi palaging available. Yeah. So, kung ano man yun, yeah. So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs, Aries through Pisces. For you, Sag. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. So, Aries, they like you. Taurus, they're impatient. Gemini, gusto nila na may mangyaring pagbabago sa sitwasyon nyo. Cancer, they have trust issues. Some of them, they're trying to avoid you, trying to hide from you. Or maybe they're hiding something from you. So, Leo, they want your attention. Virgo, they need you. Libra, they're open. Scorpio, they're stepping up. They see longevity pagdating sa connection or pagdating sa inyong dalawa. They see progress. Okay? So, Sagittarius, this is immaturity. Okay? There's a lot of delays, if ever. Capricorn, they're holding back. Aquarius, no chance ng reconciliation. Some of you may marireject dito na Aqua, or pwedeng, pagitan ninyo ng Aqua may marireject. And Pisces, they're going back. They're returning. Some of them, they're still holding on to this. Okay, they're choosing to stay. Anyway, so there. Yun ang aking reading for you, Sagittarius placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Again, thank you. Goodbye.